Today we've got a special project for you guys. This is a 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE. This is an old school badass gangster car. Now our client has brought us this vehicle because the paint needs some love. The paint has been swirled up, it's scratched, but most importantly, there are some deep bird poop etchings that have been embedded into the paint. And so we're gonna be wet sanding those defects out of the paint and trying to restore it. And once the paint is mint, then we're gonna go ahead and seal it in with our Next Gen ceramic coating. So let's talk a little bit about the damage here. So when we're talking about damage from bird poop etching, it's actually caused by the enzyme pancreatin, which is found in bird poop with their digestive system, right? And so when they poop, that enzyme goes into your paint and it literally eats through that clear coat. So we're gonna go ahead and restore the paint, do a two-step paint correction here. We're gonna walk you through the entire process front to back.
Stuff right there. Basically this, we're trying to reduce it as much as we can.
All right, y'all, so that paint correction and the wet sanding is done on this Mercedes. Now we're gonna go ahead and seal it in with some Next Gen. So we apply it on using a syringe, just like that, onto the applicator, just like that. And now we're going ahead and lay it on an even layer. Here we go. So you apply it on, crisscross pattern. It's pretty thick, so you have to make sure it gets on there evenly. So we're laying it on, you gotta crisscross pattern it like this, the hatch pattern. That way you get nice and even coverage over the trunk. Let's get this back area here. And get it extra coated like that. Get up on the badges. So if you guys look at it, you guys can see there's like little crosshatch patterns in the paint. And then we're gonna come back with a couple towels and buff all this off. There you guys have it. That is a full two-step paint correction with a little bit of wet sanding to help mitigate some of those bug guts. As you can see, unfortunately, those bug guts have eaten all the way through. Nothing much you can do there after that. A little bit of wet sanding makes it look a lot better, but we sealed it with a ceramic coating so that that paint doesn't get any worse. It's easy to clean and it looks amazing. Take a look at some of the B-roll. You can see this paint up close looks amazing. The depth and gloss is just out of this world. And that Next Gen coating on this paint is really gonna work hard to keep it this way as well. you want to get something like this done, generally the turnaround time is anywhere between 2 and 3 business days, depending on what we run into, but the end result is always worth the wait. This is Jesse at Humbucker Auto Spa, signing out. Okay. All right, let's get this. Oh!